Hey there, science enthusiasts! Ever wondered why some people just seem to have that magical ability to make everyone like them? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of the science of attraction. By the end of this video, you'll have some scientifically backed tips and tricks to make anyone like you. First up, let's talk about something called the mere exposure effect. This psychological phenomenon suggests that people tend to develop a preference for things merely because they are familiar with them. So simply being around someone often enough can increase their liking for you. Pretty cool, right? Next, let's touch on the concept of similarity attraction hypothesis. This theory states that people are more likely to be attracted to others who are similar to themselves. Whether it's shared interests, values, or even similar speech patterns, finding common ground can be a powerful tool in building rapport and attraction. So don't be afraid to show your true self and find those commonalities. Now let's get a bit more physical with body language and nonverbal cues. Research shows that open body language, like uncrossed arms and maintaining eye contact, can make you appear more approachable and trustworthy. Moreover, mirroring someone's body language subtly can create a sense of connection and understanding. Remember, actions really do speak louder than words. Another interesting factor is the role of compliments and validation. Genuine compliments and showing appreciation can go a long way in making someone feel valued and, in turn, more likely to like you. The key here is authenticity. People can usually sense when you're being insincere. And let's not forget the power of positivity. People are naturally drawn to those who exude positive energy and optimism. A cheerful and upbeat demeanor can be contagious, making others feel good when they're around you. So keep that smile on and spread the good vibes. Lastly, let's talk about active listening. One of the most effective ways to make someone like you is to show genuine interest in what they have to say. Ask questions, nod, and provide feedback to show that you are truly engaged in the conversation. This not only makes the other person feel heard, but also appreciated. So there you have it. The science of attraction isn't as mysterious as it seems. By leveraging the mere exposure effect, embracing similarities, mastering body language, offering genuine compliments, radiating positivity, and practicing active listening, you can increase your likability significantly. Remember, these principles are all about building authentic connections and making people feel valued. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating science insights. Catch you in the next video.